Disorder flanks peace on either side, and nature, life, creativity, emotions, you name it, all carry along to this singular rhythm, ad nauseum. Most days, I'm scared, dumbstruck. At some point which I can't discern, overwhelmed becomes paralyzed, and all I can manage then is awe at the mess in my head. But then there are days like today, when it seems that everything I've walked and lived and thought and seen, everything I've felt, everyone I met and didn't meet, everything that lives in me, breathes through me, counts on me, thinks for me and stirs me, has been biding for this moment. This was a different time, a different wish, but often I find always the same time, the same wish.